This pump is non-electrical, so there's no battery, no motor, and no charging required. It's simple, safe, and perfect for everyday use. This is a hand-operated manual breast pump. As you can see, it works completely by hand. There are no wires, no electricity, and no electronic parts. That makes it lightweight, quiet, and very easy to carry anywhere. Let's take a quick look at the parts. Here is the funnel, which fits comfortably. This is the handle you press gently by hand. And this is the collection bottle where the milk is stored. All the parts are easy to assemble and easy to clean. To use the pump, sit in a comfortable position and relax. Place the funnel properly, making sure it feels comfortable. Now, gently press and release the handle with your hand. Pump slowly and steadily. There's no need to rush. Comfort is the key. Because this pump is manual, you have full control over the pressure. It's great for travel, quick sessions, and daily use. After use, wash all parts with warm water and let them dry completely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.